Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia. Terrible quality gloves, look at that, just pulled them on. Anyway, so my colour scheme today is literally so easy and I made this beautiful teal colour myself, and it was out of green. Actually, it was this green because that's what I had left in and then I added navy blue to it, just bit by bit till I got the shade of kind of teal that I really wanted. So that is my kind of deep. Then I just added white and a bit of the teal in the white. So this is going to be my background color. It's kind of like a really soft pepperminty color, beautiful. And then I added white again to this, then with more teal to make it a darker shade. So 3 shades, lighter, a little bit darker, dark. And then I'm not sure what colour I'm going to add to it for my punch. We'll make it up as we go along. But this is a style that I've done several times on my YouTube channel and my Facebook video, and that everybody seems to love it because it's soft and dreamy, and I think we need soft and dreamy, not heavy and depressing at the minute. So let's go with the flow. Literally, I'm going to this is just white mixed exactly the same as I do all my other paints. It's just to give it a little bit of paint there for the other paints to roll over. To go right. I'm going to now just put mostly the lightest of the lot on there. Like I said, I'm not worried about it mixing with my white because that's absolutely fine. I've got a few gooby bits. And it doesn't matter if it's not perfect, remember, it's not meant to be. So I'm gonna, a few layers, I guess, here. So I'm not worried about the edges because I can always finish those when I've finished the whole thing, deciding what I want to paint them, or if you're gonna be blowing some, blowing across the edges. So this one, I'll start off with the darker colour. So I'll sort of just wiggle it around the edges like that. That's probably going to be enough. Then I'll go with the next lighter colour of the teal. I'll have to start making names up for my colours. Now I'm going to keep it simple for this bit. So I'll get my little trusty little pinky. My little pinky. As everybody asks me, where did you get that from? I got it from a local charity shop. So lucky's find ever, because it's just lasted me. And I'll be very sad when it finally gives up the ghost. So let's just gently use the blow dryer to soften this whole thing up. Okie dokie. Now, I'm not sure, just to keep it actually the same, let's just try mixing the techniques, mixing the different techniques in one piece of art. I've just loved doing it. So we'll leave it like that for the second. Let's just blow out a flower now in the same colour. Little balloon, where are you? Okay, I'll go this one, so I haven't got a real little one. There you go. Oh, and just pop them flowers onto your wax paper, because you can always cut them out for... now, would you leave it at just that? Or shall I try adding... It's going completely different. This is just a little bit of sparkly blue that I have left from a different pour. Let's see. Ooh, looky, looky. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. I'm not sure. So we'll try that one, leave that one. And I'm going to go an orange. I know you said, what does she do? I want you to tell me which you think is the best colour pop to put in this particular piece. And I just thought, when I'm mixing orange, I always add a good dollop of yellow, so the orange is really nice and bright. So I might just pop in the centre of that one. I was going to just blow the orange, but we just try it. It's quite nice. Let me pop a little bit of that in the centre. Now I'll do the balloon kiss on that one. See what one you prefer. Oh, look at that. Push it down on my wax paper. As I said, then they can be reused. Your kisses cut out and put on gift cards or another piece of art or jewellery. I really like the orange. What do you guys think? Orange, green. I think I am going to go with the orange. I'll do another one of those down here and I'll see if I can add a different... I'll just go with the flow. Oh, go away, fly. Beautiful, beautiful. I think it's lovely if you want sort of a minimalist look to go this, but if you want a bit of a pop your socks, go the orange. So this centre isn't meant to look like a flower, it's just fluffing it up or soften it before I put the balloon on. For a balloon kiss. Here we go. Oh, beautiful. When I bring you down, I'll show you those impressions on there. Yeah, I think I should go over this one. Probably come a completely different colour now because I've had those other colours under it, but we'll see how we go. Let's just give that a balloon kiss without any other. Nice, very nice. I think that's sweet, sweetie sweet. Just tempted again just to blow an ordinary, the little teal one again. Let's give it a go. Give it a go, Joe. These are always very sweet to do, and they're always like a popular thing to gift away or sell. going to just soften up some edges. That's okay. It's all good. Good, good, good. It's my little skewer. None of my skewery. I think that's pretty sweet. I suppose what composition would you have it like that? Does that look too plain? Can do some flicks on it, like just little flickers of paint. You could do some tiny little kisses. Let's see what a tiny kiss looks like on there. Probably good doing tiny kisses if you got, probably the smaller balloon would work best, but I haven't got one blown up, so let's try a finger. Finger. Little finger kisses can look like little fireflies and butterflies, but that don't look actually too crash hot there. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm going to bring you down and have a little look-see. But that is really pretty and so lovely to gift. I really do think so. Bring you down. So the colours are not showing true through this. It looks really blue, but it's really sort of green blue. And the orange is so much brighter. I don't know why this. Anybody know? And I don't know why it's like flickering. Might be my light. Excuse me. Very soft, very gorgeous. I just love it. Glad I actually put the two colours in there. And there's like some of my balloon kisses left on the excuse me, wax paper. They look very blue, but they're very green. There's a real blue one from the first. So they'll dry on there, and you can either pick them off and use the skin, or I like cutting them off there and then using them for whatever reason. Another piece of art on a gift card, piece of jewellery. There you go. What did you think of that one? Is it a yay or is it a nay? It's a really sweet, easy little thing to do when you want to give yourself a little bit of confidence if it's your first time in your art journey. You know, just as long as you take your time and you get the paint consistency correct, which all the information is in the drop-down box underneath the video with links to beginners videos and how to mix paints, so on and so forth. So, okay, my lovelies, thank you so much for joining me. I will pop off now. Please remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend, or if that isn't available to you, then certainly a helpline. Dried, absolutely gorgeous. Colour combo. I had really good response when I put the tester out for the colour combo. Everybody loved it. So yeah, it's dried really lovely. I'm going to give it a coat of just varnish over this one, but look at the details in the floral effect, just using that balloon and the straw. Absolutely fabulous. Hope you love it. Link will be attached.